This first one is for your immune system, and you're gonna be thanking me later because this one can do it all. Those ones on the shelf at the store are no good because ginger loses its potency almost right after you start cutting it. So it needs to be consumed immediately to get all those amazing benefits we're going to be talking about in this video. Okay, for the first recipe, you're going to need a 1/2 inch of ginger. We're going to grind and press our 1/2 inch of ginger. It should give you about a tablespoon of juice. This first shot that we're going to make is specially designed for your immune system. It reduces all your inflammation. It's amazing for fighting any infection, from a cold to a scratch, anything. And can protect from all kinds of oxidative stress, meaning anything that tries to attack your body. This is the one you're going to want to have. Then I have tiny lemons, so about 2 of them we're going to squeeze. It should make about 2 tablespoons of juice. This drink has a lot of lemon juice. Lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C, so this of course is going to be amazing for your immune system and fight off any infections. This combination is also excellent for cleaning out your organs, your kidney, your liver. It's amazing for your heart. You're going to feel good just taking this. We're going to mix with this some black pepper, just 1/4 teaspoon, fresh black pepper. You don't want to skip this. Black pepper will help to get the nutrients absorbed from these beautiful ingredients, so make sure you add this. If this mixture is a little bit too strong for you, you can go ahead and add in some honey. Make sure it's raw, organic honey to get the most amazing benefits from this mixture. Raw honey also has an amazing effect for healing your body. It's great for boosting your immune system. It's loaded with antioxidants as well. So if you're fighting any kind of sickness, cold, make sure you try this one. Alright, this next one you're gonna love. This one is for weight loss. All of you out there who are struggling to lose weight of any kind, belly fat, body fat, any fat, you can't do it, you're tired of dieting, this is the one. Try this. This one makes enough for 2 servings. So first we're gonna add the juice of 2 oranges. Did you know that orange juice helps to improve your insulin sensitivity? Yeah, it's true. But it has to be fresh orange juice, not that bottled, pasteurized stuff you get from the store. Fresh squeezed. And this, of course, will help with your weight management. So, orange juice. Alright, now we're going to add in our juice of those 2 tiny lemons. If you have a regular big lemon, just one, as long as you're around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, that's the right amount. Lemon juice, I'm sure you've all heard of this one. It does help with aiding weight loss because it also helps to make you feel full, boost your metabolism, and helps to detoxify your body at the same time. Now we're going to add in our 1/2 inch of ginger. Make sure you just grate this and that it's fresh. Squeeze it all into the orange juice mixture. Ginger is excellent for raising your metabolism, so you're going to be able to burn those calories better. And it also helps with controlling your blood sugar. So both of those are really great to get rid of that fat that you don't want anymore. We're going to add to this turmeric. This is super powerful. If you're trying to lose weight, this is the one you need to make sure is in it. I did a whole separate video on this, how to lose weight with turmeric. Go watch this here if you want more recipes, how to incorporate it, what it does for you. This is the one you need. I have personal experience with this one. Just a little bit of turmeric daily will make you feel not hungry, no matter how much you want to try. I took this for only 4 or 5 days in a row, and I couldn't eat. I was not hungry, no matter how hard you try, and you won't be able to eat too much. So don't leave this one out. This one is amazing. Something really amazing also about turmeric is it actually suppresses fat tissue growth. Did you know that? You know that hard, stubborn belly fat? This one will dissolve it. I don't know anything that works better than turmeric for weight loss. Okay, now we're going to add in our black pepper, which is essential for turmeric to be absorbed. It does not absorb without something to help it along. And black pepper can increase the absorption by 2,000%. So make sure you add just this tiny bit of black pepper. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. So you can add olive oil or you can add coconut oil, your choice. Both of these will help to increase the absorption of the nutrients and make them really start working for you. So 1 spoon of oil of your choice. And that's it. Your amazing ginger shot for weight loss is ready. Super powerful. Please comment below if you've tried this one. Please take a minute to like and subscribe. It will really help support the channel. Thank you. For this last one, if you want amazing, glowing, radiant skin, no more acne, beautiful complexion, you think it'll never happen? Try this one. It will happen. We're going to start with our lemons again. So 2 lemons, juice that up. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C. They are amazing on their own. They clear up your acne, brighten your complexion. They're antifungal. They're amazing for getting rid of any kind of spots. It helps to prevent oily skin. It can even help with boosting your collagen. All these things for amazing skin just with a lemon. So very powerful for your skin. We're going to add to this a 1/2 inch of ginger, juiced. Ginger is so amazing for your skin. I've even done a whole separate video on ginger for your skin. Go watch it here. Very powerful. I don't think there's anything it can't do for your skin. So give this one a try. It's anti-inflammatory. It will get rid of any kind of discoloration. It'll get rid of any inflammation, acne, any kind of spots, imperfections. It helps with your skin tone. It even hydrates. It's loaded with nutrients, so it's like feeding your skin with exactly what it wants. We're going to add to this our 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to make sure everything is absorbed really well. Did you know that black pepper actually can help reduce acne, treat skin infections, and prevent wrinkles? Pretty amazing. Just from this black pepper. So make sure you add it. There's lots of amazing benefits for all these ingredients. You are gonna love this. All right, now we're going to add in our 1/2 inch of turmeric. If you have dark spots, say goodbye. Turmeric can reduce dark spots. You want your skin to be bright and glowing. This will also make your skin amazingly beautiful. It also helps to heal up any wounds or scars. It's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. This one is so amazing for your skin. Together with all these other ingredients, your skin is going to be insane. You will love it. We're going to add to this one a spoon of oil as well, coconut or olive oil, both excellent for your skin and will increase the absorption of all of these ingredients even more. Now lastly, we're going to heat this up. So you can just heat it up a few seconds because just a tiny shot. So it'll only take a few seconds, heat it up, and making it warm will also increase its absorption. So we got 3 things increasing the absorption of this one. The heating it up, the black pepper, and the oil. All of these will make sure that nothing is getting by. All of these ingredients are being super absorbed in your body so you can get the maximum benefits. Now all of these are very strong, so if you want to add a little spoon of honey, go ahead. You'll still get amazing results. Just make sure that it's raw, organic, healthiest honey as you can get. Make sure you try them for at least 7 days and comment below any results, how you feel. You should feel amazing after drinking these. Like, subscribe, and make sure you go and watch my videos over here on ginger for your face. You will love it.